Welcome to Hindalco Safety Training, Permit to Work and Lockout, Tagout Procedure. Are you ready to start?
Yes, let's start.
I can see that you're properly equipped with your PPE. I'm sure you understand the importance of your personal protective equipment. Could you tell me if your safety shoes are steel-toed and slip-resistant?
Yes, my safety shoes are steel-toed and slip-resistant. And also, all my other PPE are according to the standards.
The lockout, tagout procedure at Hindalco plant is crucial for ensuring the safety of our employees during maintenance and repair work. It involves isolating energy sources and securing them to prevent accidental release of hazardous energy. This protects workers from potential injuries. Do you understand the importance of this procedure?
Yes, I understand the importance.
Great. Now follow me to practice the lockout, tagout interaction by following the instructions. Reach the highlighted door. Grab the door and push it to open. Move towards the LOTO key. Pick up the LOTO key. Follow me to the LOTO interaction panel. Insert the key to the LOTO lock. Click on the lock to unlock it. Grab the lever and pull it down. Click on the lock again to complete lockout, tagout. The Permit to Work (PTW) process at Hindalco is designed to ensure that all necessary safety measures are in place before any work begins, particularly in hazardous environments. It involves obtaining authorization for specific tasks, ensuring that potential risks are identified and controlled. Do you have any questions about the PTW process?
No, I understand it.
Great. Now let's move towards the PTW card. Pick up the PTW card. Move towards the supervisor. Give the PTW to the supervisor, wait and get back the PTW.
Hello there. Let me review your permit to work. All right, everything looks in order. Here's your permit. Make sure you follow all safety procedures.
Great. You have obtained your PTW. This module is successfully completed. Do you have any queries?
No, I don't. I understand it.
I'm glad to hear that. Remember, safety is our top priority, and adherence to these procedures is essential. If you have any questions in the future, feel free to reach out. Stay safe. Follow me to the exit to complete the training. Now that you have the PTW, you can proceed with your task. Remember, safety is the top priority.